Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make keto pumpkin cake with cream cheese frosting. For this recipe you'll need 4 eggs, half a cup of coconut oil and a half a cup of butter that have been softened, 1 cup of powdered monk fruit or erythritol, whatever you have, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a half a teaspoon of stevia glycerite. We have 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. All of these ingredients right here are going to be for the cream cheese frosting. So we have 1 cup of milk, I'm using coconut milk today, 6 tablespoons of butter, and 4 ounces of cream cheese that have been softened, and 2/3 cup of powdered monk fruit or erythritol. Right now I have my oven heating to 350 degrees. First thing I'll do is add all of my dry ingredients together. Set that off to the side. To a large mixing bowl, go ahead and add your eggs. Now add your softened butter and coconut oil. These eggs were at room temperature. I highly recommend getting your eggs to room temperature so that you don't have cold eggs and then you add the coconut oil in there and then it clumps all up. So room temperature eggs work best. Now let's add our vanilla extract and stevia. Add the pumpkin. For this recipe I used a half a can of pumpkin. There's about 2 cups in here. So if you want to use the whole can of pumpkin, just double the recipe. Add in your powdered monk fruit. At this point you can switch over to a spatula. And now we'll add all of our dry ingredients. Now grab your baking dish that has been lightly greased. We'll just pour the mixture into the dish. Add in your cream cheese and butter. Add your powdered monk fruit. When you have the butter, cream cheese, and monk fruit all creamy like this, add in your milk. Like I said, I'm using coconut milk today. Alright, so I think I added about a half a cup of milk and that looks to be about the right consistency. I'm also going to add a few drops of vanilla stevia. The stevia is optional. I like stuff really sweet, so that's why I add stevia. Now I'm going to cover this and set it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm going to put on the cream cheese frosting now. Alright, so I currently have the coffee maker going, making myself a nice cup of coffee. I love sweets with coffee, so let's cut into this and see how it looks. For a corner piece here. There we go. There it is. Can't really see it that good. Ah! Okay, now you can see it. Alright, let's try this and see how it tastes. It's good. It's good, I like it. Probably add a little bit more cinnamon next time, but I like a lot of cinnamon, so it's really good. I like it a lot. Oops, and I ate that before my coffee was done, so guess I'll have to have another piece. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.